Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. We are back. It's the next day of guess how many coins are in Dan's bowl. They're out the bowl, but believe you me, the bowl is still here. Don't worry about it. We are going to look at the prize pot before we get to the guesses. Again, feel free to pause the screen. And there is a little bit of a clue today. Just trying to fold the piece of paper over. Again, we are on the floor for this one. Here we go then, ladies and gentlemen. The prize pot. We have got a stunning Commonwealth Games England £2 coin. Focus in, please. Zeb for Zebra Crossing 2019. A salmon. Jemima Puddock, another perfect uncirculated. We've got a few of those in it at the minute. And we've got an Isle of Man TT Races 50p coin. So here we go then, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen. A little bit of a clue. Somewhere between 300 and 1,300 coins. Again, we are going for the individual coin amount, not how much there is overall in value. Again, if you think there's £100 here, we're not looking for that. We are looking for individual coins. How many do you think are here? I have removed the guesses over 1,300 and below 300. But I think a lot of people could well be in around the right direction. Again, doing this, and we have kind of made it a lot easier, I think, with the 1,000 bracket. We could well get a winner today. If we don't, we'll have one more guess, and I'm going to leave it open for over the weekend. Again, I've got a 40-mile charity run on Saturday morning, starting just after 5 o'clock. Again, a huge shout out for all of the donations on the channel. Really can't believe it. Cannot thank you all enough. I'll get all those on before the run. Again, you guys, simply incredible, and fingers crossed you can get some nice coins this weekend. I'll leave it open over the weekend. It'll either be Sunday evening or Monday, just really how I feel, which probably won't be great. But we'll get the run done, and as soon as I am back on form, again, latest of Monday, we'll go through all the answers, and fingers crossed we will find ourselves a winner. Coins to one side, have a blessed one, stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.